Have you ever wondered what force governs the universe? What power keeps our world turning? It's much more complex than gravity, yet at the same time, much simpler than you think, as this power is also hidden within us. You may not notice it, but this power resides within you, ready to be awakened and used to manifest your desired reality. Do you want to know how to awaken it? Then you must stay until the end of this video, where we will explore the mysterious and captivating power that God has granted, and how you can learn to channel it to transform your dreams into reality. Get ready to open your mind and heart to new possibilities and to understand your true nature as a co-creator with the universe. Take note, and your life will change for the better. The universe, in its vastness, is like a vast field of energy, dynamic and present, similar to the electricity that flows through power lines. This universal power is a creative and benevolent force that permeates everything that exists. Just as we can harness electricity to turn on a light or operate appliances, we can also consciously connect with this universal power to benefit our lives. The key to accessing this power lies in our ability to tune in and align with it. This involves developing a clear and receptive awareness of the presence and influence of this universal energy. It is important to understand that this universal power is not exclusive to a privileged few, but is available to all of us, regardless of our current circumstances or personal beliefs. It is a neutral and loving energy that responds to our intentions and emotions, acting as a collaborative partner in the creation of our realities. When we consciously align with this universal power, we begin to experience positive changes in our lives. We may feel a greater sense of inner peace, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. This power we speak of is not just spiritual. It can manifest in tangible forms such as unexpected opportunities, harmonious relationships, creativity in the face of challenges, and a renewed sense of purpose and direction in life. When we refer to the mind of God, we are talking about a universal consciousness that encompasses everything that exists, a cosmic intelligence behind the creation and evolution of the universe. It is the source of all wisdom, love, and power in the cosmos, and our ability to connect with it allows us to access deep spiritual resources. Just as we use gravity in our daily lives without needing to understand all its scientific details, we can access the mind of God through faith, meditation, prayer, and contemplation. These practices help us tune in to this divine energy and receive guidance, inspiration, and strength to face life's challenges. When we consciously align with the mind of God, we experience a sense of deep connection and purpose in our lives. We feel that we are part of something bigger than ourselves, and this provides us with comfort, direction, and above all, a renewed sense of meaning in our daily actions and decisions. You should know that the connection with the mind of God is not limited to a specific religion or belief, but is a universal spiritual experience available to all people, regardless of their cultural or philosophical background. It is a reminder that we are connected to the cosmos in a deep and mysterious way, and that we can find comfort and guidance in this connection in moments of need and celebration alike. So what can we do with this divine connection? Without a doubt, in this case, the sky is the limit. This spiritual power awakens in us the mind-body connection, a concept that helps us integrate spirituality into our daily lives to solve problems and significantly improve our existence. It's like learning to use a powerful tool that we all have at our disposal, whether we are aware of it or not. To begin using this divine power, it is helpful to cultivate a deeper awareness of our own spirituality and connection with the divine. This includes practices such as daily meditation, conscious reflection on our actions and decisions, and seeking moments of stillness to listen to the inner voice that guides us toward well-being and success. We can find creative solutions to seemingly unsolvable problems, experience a greater sense of inner peace and mental clarity, and feel a deeper connection with others and with the universe as a whole, thus reaching the state of co-creator of our reality. This is a transformative process that invites us to explore the power of our thoughts, emotions, and actions in manifesting our deepest dreams and desires. This process of co-creation brings with it many responsibilities on our part. It begins by aligning our intentions with love and truth. If we want to harness our spiritual power, it is essential to cultivate positive and constructive thoughts, focusing on what we truly desire to experience in our lives rather than on what we lack or fear. Emotions play a crucial role here. When we feel love, gratitude, and trust instead of fear or doubt, we raise our energetic vibration and make the manifestation of our aspirations more likely. But even more important than thoughts and emotions, our actions are also key in this process. Acting in coherence with our intentions and values is what truly brings us closer to realizing our dreams. This translates into making decisions that support our goals, taking care of ourselves and others, and being aware of how our actions affect our environment and the people around us. The personal transformation that arises from these conscious actions goes beyond the manifestation of material desires. In the process, we notice that this is not the ultimate goal, but rather the spiritual and emotional growth we gain along the way. As we learn to trust the natural flow of life and remain open to the opportunities and synchronicities that present themselves on our path, it is important to remember that we all have access to this divine power, regardless of our religious background or specific beliefs. It is a universal force of love and wisdom that accompanies us every step of the way, waiting to be recognized and used for the benefit of all. And when we recognize this connection, everything begins to change. But it's true that often this is not enough. It's difficult to recognize this connection when you don't feel it or when your spiritual side seems dormant or shut down. This is not necessarily your fault. In fact, it is the state in which the vast majority of people around the world find themselves. The real challenge, and the first one we must overcome, is to awaken this universal connection. Fortunately, just as we exercise our body and mind, we can also exercise our spirit. We can start by talking about creative visualization, for example. By vividly and detailedly visualizing our goals and desires, we are using the power of the mind to create mental images that act like magnets, attracting to us the circumstances and opportunities that bring us closer to what we want to achieve. This practice is much more than daydreaming. It is about affirming our intention with clarity and conviction, sending a clear message to the universe about our goals and aspirations. Meditation, on the other hand, provides us with a space to calm the mind and connect with our deepest inner self. By dedicating regular time to meditation, we can withdraw from the noise and agitation of the external world and enter a state of peace and serenity. In this state of mental stillness, we are more receptive to intuitive guidance and inspirations that may arise from our connection with the divine. Meditation helps us cultivate a greater awareness of ourselves and the universe around us, thus facilitating a deeper connection with the mind of God. Gratitude is another powerful practice that strengthens our spiritual connection. By cultivating a deep sense of gratitude for all the blessings and positive experiences in our lives, we are consciously acknowledging the abundance that surrounds us. These practices not only help us strengthen our connection with the mind of God, but also transform our way of thinking and feeling, aligning us with spiritual truth and universal love. By integrating creative visualization and meditation into our daily lives, we open ourselves to receiving divine guidance and consciously co-creating our path toward a more fulfilling, meaningful, and purposeful life. Transforming our thinking from focusing on problems to focusing on solutions and opportunities is a liberating and transformative process. It allows us to develop our capacity to face challenges with creativity and resilience, trusting in our inner wisdom and divine guidance to find effective answers. Why not embrace the connection we have with the universe if it is there solely to improve our lives? Engage in these practices, receive the power within you, and change the world one action, thought, and feeling at a time. What do you think about this topic? Are you ready to take power into your own hands? We look forward to your comments. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy this type of content, don't hesitate to support the channel with your like and subscription. I also invite you to check out our other videos. I'm sure more than one will be to your liking. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.